Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Osondo Innocent, owner of 120 Design. So guys, I'll be taking you along on Photoshop beginners class for absolute beginners. So if you are here and you have not opened the Photoshop software before, well, this is the right video for you to get started. So first of all, we'll be looking at the Photoshop interface before we dive into designing and other stuff about Photoshop. So to get started, the Photoshop interface has a whole lot of things in it. So if you're in this window with me, the first thing to do once you've launched Photoshop app, the Photoshop software, is to open up a document, which is why you have the software. So you can actually go on create new to create a preset or paper size for your design. So with this you can actually choose A4 paper or any type of paper size. So once you click on the A4, which I'll be using for this tutorial, you can actually go over to this side of the Windows to resize the paper either in height or width, and you can actually change its mode of measurement. You can actually use inches, centimeter, points, pixels, whatever you'll be using. So in orientation it is in portrait, and our resolution is 300 to get a perfect resolution. Here you can change the color mode to any of the color mode. So we'll be using our RGB color mode 8 bits, and our background color will be white. So let us see what this looks like when we open up. So this is what it looks like when you've opened up the Photoshop for the first time. Now actually you've been able to open up this document, this paper or background for your design or whatever you want to do. But now how about you opening a picture or a JPEG or whatever from your computer file? You can actually go to the file on the topmost corner of your screen. You go to open, or you use Ctrl O for this. So this takes you straight. Now you can pick up any image you want. So let's see what this looks like. Now I've been able to open it. So to get this done quickly, you can use Ctrl O, and Ctrl O takes you directly to there where you also pick it up. So we won't be using much of shortcuts in this video, not to bug you or get the workload too much for you. So this is just it, how to open up a file on Photoshop. There are two ways: either you go to this place, the home, you create new, then you pick up the work size from here if you want to start on a clean sheet. So this is it. Now you might be afraid of the interface already with all these tabs, all these stuffs around it. You did not to be afraid. We will actually touch into all of those things in the course of this tutorial. In our next video, actually, we will touch all of these things. Now you can actually customize your workspace by going to Windows. With this, you will be able to get your workspace. By workspace I mean this area, to standard. So with this, you go to Windows, go to Workspace, go to Essentials. reset essentials to get it to standard. So with this, it is, don't mind, my screen is not that big, so I will have to edit the workspace a bit. So with this, I will click on the layer, this tab already, I'll click on it, then drag it all up to the top. I will also drag this all up to the top. Okay, this is hanging, let me get it. So if any of these, the layer, all the stuffs are not showing, you can actually go to Windows. Now I went on the adjustment, which I just can removed. So actually look for adjustments here, and here is adjustment. You can just tap on it and adjustments reappears. You can actually drag it and place anywhere on the workspace. This is it for this tutorial. On our next tutorial, we'll be looking at how the Photoshop